A web page shows the status of the alarm. A green background means that the alarm is off. The door status shows closed, and the seconds remaining is a timer that will show when the alarm will sound. When we press the push button on the Mbed, it signifies that the door is opened. Now the door status has changed to open and the timer has started to count down. When the timer reaches 0, the web page turns red, showing that the alarm is now sounding. Now it's time to punch in the secret passcode onto the touch keypad of the Mbed. The correct password was punched in. Now when we refresh the page, the alarm shows that it is turned off, and we will press the push button one more time to close the door.